YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Jay, Gym Monster 81, man, representing that Gym Monster Fitness, man. Y'all don't know exactly what time it is, baby. Y'all already know what time it is, baby. Let's get it, man. So, today, I got something special for you guys. I got 2 protein supplements right here that I kind of want to do a quick on-screen taste test for you so that just in case you happen to be shopping at GNC or you online trying to pick up some supplements and you run into this brand, this company, or whatever the case, and you just kind of want to have an idea of what these supplements taste like from the protein perspective. Hopefully this video can help you in determining which one you will choose. So with that being said, right here I have some Ghost Whey Protein. This is the Chips Ahoy flavor. And I also have some vegan protein by Ghost, and this is the peanut butter cereal milk. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. There it is. Peanut butter cereal milk. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm sorry about that. Why do I have a vegan protein? Being that I just kind of put my veganism on hiatus. It's because my wife is still vegan, and I still have vegan options here and there. I'm not completely converted away from being vegan. I just kind of do it in moderation, just like everything else. And right now it is time for me to have a shake anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up both of these, but specifically today, I am going to be drinking the vegan protein. But I'm just gonna taste test them both and kind of give you guys my thoughts on it. I don't drink regular milk anymore. You know, it's nothing against it, but I do a lot of almond milk now, vanilla almond breeze. So, you know, hopefully y'all can see that. But this is what I typically drink right now. So let me get this stuff poured up and we'll be right back. So I got my almond milk poured up, and I like to add a little bit of water to it just because I don't like thick protein. That's just me. I don't like thick consistency of protein. I like mine to be a little thin, just a little bit. I feel like I can get it down a little bit better. So right here in the old school Lockout Supplements cup, my old subscribers probably remember when I got that cup in the box 4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. Since today I'm doing the vegan protein, I'm gonna add a scoop to the Lockout. My son just woke up, guys, so if he start talking and complaining, y'all got to roll with me, right? So we're gonna add a scoop of the vegan peanut butter protein. So we got that scoop in there. And like I said, since it's just an on-screen taste test, even though I'm drinking that one for real, we're gonna throw the Chips Ahoy. We're gonna throw that one in the other shaker cup. And we're gonna shake these bad boys up, and I'm gonna give y'all my quick thoughts on it. And then we're gonna jump up out of here, man. We're gonna jump right up out of here, because I got to train later on, so might as well go ahead and get the shake in now. So this one right here is the vegan peanut butter. Shake this one up. And we're gonna go ahead and taste this one right now. Yeah, so right off of the bat, this has got to be the best vegan tasting protein I have ever had. I've had the gold standard one and a couple of other ones, but this one right here is the best one that I've tasted so far. It actually tastes really good. Like, no joke, really good. Really, really, really good, actually. Let's move over to this little Chips Ahoy one real quick. See what this one tastes like. Keep in mind I'm using vanilla almond milk with a little bit of water. Just give it a quick shake. Looks like it mixes well. Yeah, they both mix pretty well. Not a whole lot of residue. Let's go ahead and get this one a quick taste. This Chips Ahoy one, it's okay. If I had to pick between the two, I would go with the vegan peanut butter one. If they made this one in regular whey, then I would probably go with the peanut butter one over the Chips Ahoy. It tastes like a Chips Ahoy cookie. It has cookie pieces in it. Let me hit it again. It has cookie pieces in it. But between these two, my favorite would have to be this peanut butter. Yeah, it would definitely have to be that peanut butter cereal milk. Told you he was gonna wake up, y'all. It would definitely have to be that one, man. So hold on, my guy. So anyway, that's just a quick taste test, man. Nothing special. I feel like protein supplements, they all, I guess, work the same. Some profiles are a little bit different. Like the Chips Ahoy one has 25 grams of protein, and the vegan one has 21 grams of protein. So you can do the math when you count your calories, macros, or whatever the case. But a protein supplement is a protein supplement, man. Pick which one you like. Make sure you pick a brand that you like, flavor that you like, because you're the one that have to drink it. Still to this day, my favorite protein of choice is Synthesis strawberry. So don't let this fool you. I like the taste, but nothing beats the Synthesis for me. Even this peanut butter one, nothing I've tasted since Synthesis strawberry has ever beat it for me. So with that being said, guys, this is just a quick taste test. Between these two, I like the peanut butter vegan one better taste-wise. Can you get benefits from both? Yes. So don't shy away from both. This one does taste good, but between the two, I would go with this one over this one. So anyway, I'll put those down. It's been your boy Jay, Gym Monster 81, man, representing that Gym Monster fitness, baby. Y'all already know exactly what time it is, man. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you hit that little bell button, because videos are going to be coming back pretty soon and frequently. I'm going to make a small little bit of a, not really like a super announcement, but it's going to be something small coming up. But videos are going to kind of pick back up on the channel, so make sure you hit that bell button and make sure you drop a like. You have to make sure you drop a like on the video. That way everybody else can see the video, because we have, what, about 4,500 subscribers, and everybody's not getting the videos because I haven't been making videos. And since I haven't been making videos, I kind of fell out of the algorithm in YouTube. So when I do upload a video, it only reaches a few people nowadays. So with that being said, for all my subscribers, make sure you hit that little bell button, man. It's been your boy Jay. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.